How to start a new repair. Hello, in this video you will learn how to start a new repair order. To start a new repair order, please go to Customers and Vehicles section and press Find Add Customer and Vehicle. You can also click on Add New Customer button located on the dashboard. In the field that opened up in the upper left-hand corner, enter your customer's phone number and click Search. You can also search using an email address or a WIN code. If the buyer was not found, keep entering the customer's data, such as email address, first name, last name, and address. Then click Save button located in the lower line. You will learn how to add a new customer from our video in more detail. Customer data will open up. Select the customer's vehicle and click New Repair. The order will be created after repair is completed. Here, you can add any items for repair and communicate with the customer. To remove an order, click Delete in the lower line. To create an invoice to print, click the Invoice button in the menu at the bottom of the page. You can also send the invoice to the mechanic or to the buyer by email. To move on to the next step of the repair process, you can send the repair order to the customer via the AutoRepair Cloud application for customers. If they don't have the application, you can send them the repair order via SMS or email for approval. Please note, the customer can create a repair request through the customer app. In this case, the repair order will show up on your repair list. Thank you for watching our quick overview on how to create a new repair order. If you found this video useful, click like and subscribe to see our other videos and stay updated.